Welcome to the Essence of Homeschooling podcast, brought to you by the Umbrella School Statheros Academy. We empower and equip you to cultivate the authentic homeschool lifestyle where freedom and relationships rule.
Welcome back as we have one last bonus episode where we just have some fun talking about things that have been beneficial in homeschooling, but it's more in a lighthearted manner. We're talking about how once you homeschool, you might have kids who do the dishes.
You might find a dead mouse in your freezer for scientific purposes, of course.
Or you might end up picking up roadkill also for scientific purposes.
Your kids will learn how to do laundry as part of their life skills curriculum.
They will also learn how to cook.
You might have kids who actually talk to you and know how to talk to other adults.
You might even have kids that want your opinion and listen to your guidance.
You might have kids who are happy to hang out with your friends and have fun with you.
You might have kids that like to read.
You might have kids who then teach you something.
That's right. You might have kids who become the teacher.
Which turns into your kids might correct you when you're wrong, when you have a bad attitude, or when you are exhibiting bad behavior.
You might have kids who learn logic and then debate you and win.
You might have very independent kids.
And we must warn you, you might lose your kitchen table to books, notebooks, science projects, anything your kids are working on.
Your kids might even like each other.
You might live with subject matter experts in all kinds of subjects and interests, some that might really surprise you.
You might have kids who can resist peer pressure and can lead their friends to resist it as well.
Yes, you might have kids that make wise choices about who they are and what friends they hang out with.
You might have kids that can handle loneliness in healthy ways.
You might have kids who know how to deal with boredom, and that can translate to, as teenagers, they can have fun at a party without alcohol or drugs.
You might have kids who don't do homework because they've been at home working all day.
You might have kids who dare to dream and chase those dreams.
You might have kids who start their own business.
And best of all, you might have kids who love you and want to spend time with you. Thank you for joining us in the Essence of Homeschooling on our bonus series. It's been a pleasure being with you.
Are you looking for a supportive community to walk with you through your homeschooling journey? Look no further. Statheros Academy is your go-to umbrella school for fulfilling legal reporting requirements in Colorado. But what if you don't live in Colorado? We still serve you through our support tools and services. At Statheros Academy, we're not just another institution. We're your partners in education, providing comprehensive support services designed to empower, encourage, and equip you to be the best homeschool parent that your children deserve. Teacher and student IDs, parent and professional evaluations, attendance logs, record-keeping services, DIY high school transcripts, or our official homeschool high school transcript service produces personalized transcripts that highlight your students' unique accomplishments. High school diplomas celebrate your family's achievement when you successfully complete the adventure. Additionally, our experienced homeschool coaches provide one-on-one support throughout your journey. Custom tailor your homeschool support system by selecting one of our 3 enrollment packages based on your family's needs. This way, you can get exactly what you need to make the most of your homeschooling experience. We come alongside you in the way you want to be supported, whether that's the bare minimum or holding your hand each step of the way. The Umbrella School Statheros Academy provides what you want the way you want it. So why wait? Enroll with Statheros Academy today and unlock a world of possibilities for your homeschooling journey. Go to theumbrellaschool.com to learn more and sign up. We can't wait to serve your family. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. We hope that you enjoyed the conversation and found it insightful. Be sure to check out today's show notes for all applicable links and additional resources. If you liked what you heard, please subscribe, rate, and review our podcast. Your support helps us continue to bring you great content. Until next time, happy homeschooling.